In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IONOS mail to Gmail. So firstly, open up your Gmail and log into your Gmail. Once you're on your Gmail here, you're going to click on the little settings gear there. So which is your top right, click on the settings gear. From here, select see all settings. Okay. And you'll get to the settings page here. So here, you're going to go to this tab, accounts and import. Click on accounts and import. And from here, scroll down and you'll see an option here, this one, send mail as. So in here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this add another email address option here. Click on it. And then now what we're going to do here is simply add your email address. So you're going to enter the information about your IONOS email address, the name and the email address of your IONOS email address. Okay, once you've added that, click on next step. Okay, so on the next page here, all you have to do is you're going to plug in your SMTP server address, your username and password of your IONOS account and everything, and then all you have to do is hit on add account to add it, and that's how you do it.